The global sports industry has entered an era of absolute financial hyperinflation. Over the past few years, team owners, sovereign wealth funds, and massive media conglomerates have shattered previous spending limits to lock down generational talent. The traditional boundaries of what a single athlete can earn through a playing contract have completely vanished, giving rise to multi-year deals that resemble the gross domestic product of small nations. While endorsements and sponsorships fuel wealth off the field, these specific mega deals represent the largest guaranteed on-field salary structures in human history, ranked purely by their total face value. 1. Juan Soto, $765 million, New York Mets. The absolute pinnacle of sports contract history belongs to baseball phenom Juan Soto, who finalized a staggering 15-year agreement with the New York Mets for a historic $765 million. Unlike other massive deals that rely on heavily delayed payouts, this monumental contract secured an astronomical average annual salary of $51 million without extreme long-term deferrals. The historic agreement completely reset the financial landscape of Major League Baseball, proving that a premium generational hitter entering his absolute physical prime can command sovereign-scale corporate investments. By anchoring himself to the Mets through 2039, Soto secured the largest total guaranteed payout ever printed on a single professional sports contract. 2. Cristiano Ronaldo, $710 million, Al Nassr. In terms of pure rapid wealth accumulation, Cristiano Ronaldo's historic move to the Saudi Pro League remains an absolute marvel of modern sports business. He signed a jaw-dropping 2-year extension with Al Nassr valued at just over $710 million, carrying his playing terms through 2027. This contract pays out an unprecedented average annual salary of $355 million per season when factoring in base playing wages, commercial image rights guarantees, and club-backed brand bonuses. By extracting this level of capital over a hyper-condensed time frame, Ronaldo established the highest annual playing wage ever recorded, cementing the Saudi Pro League as an absolute powerhouse in the global sports economy. 3. Shohei Ohtani, $700 million, Los Angeles Dodgers. Shohei Ohtani completely redefined the limits of North American sports marketing by signing a highly unique 10-year, $700 million contract with the Los Angeles Dodgers. What makes this specific deal an absolute corporate masterpiece is its unprecedented financial structure, where Ohtani voluntarily deferred $680 million of the total payout. He receives just $2 million per year during his active playing decade, with the remaining $68 million annual installments paying out between 2034 and 2043. This historic sacrifice allowed the Dodgers to continuously bypass luxury tax penalties and acquire more top-tier talent, while Ohtani comfortably funds his current lifestyle through over $125 million in annual off-field global endorsements. 4. Lionel Messi, $674 million, FC Barcelona. Long before the current wave of Middle Eastern expansion and modern baseball megadeals, Lionel Messi set the original gold standard for sports wealth with his legendary 2017 contract extension at FC Barcelona. The leaked 4-year agreement was valued at an absolute blockbuster total of $674 million, working out to an astonishing $168 million per season. This contract included massive upfront signing bonuses and unprecedented loyalty clauses that eventually pushed the historic Spanish club to the absolute brink of financial restructuring. It proved that a single iconic athlete could hold more financial leverage than a century-old global institution, marking the exact moment the modern sports world transitioned into hypermonetization. 5. Cristiano Ronaldo, $536 million, Al Nassr. Before securing his recent record-breaking extension, Ronaldo originally shocked the international soccer community by signing an initial 2.5-year deal with Al Nassr worth over $536 million. Running from early 2023 through 2025, this foundational agreement paid an average annual salary of roughly $214 million. This specific contract served as the ultimate catalyst for the modern sports migration movement, instantly changing the geopolitical landscape of football by proving that traditional European leagues could be systematically outbid for the world's most valuable athletic assets. 6. Patrick Mahomes, $503 million, Kansas City Chiefs. In the rigid financial world of the National Football League, where hard salary caps and high injury risks usually prevent long-term financial security, Patrick Mahomes pulled off an absolute structural miracle. The superstar quarterback locked down a historic 10-year extension with the Kansas City Chiefs valued at $503 million. By anchoring the franchise through 2031, Mahomes secured $500 million in total value while delivering multiple championship rings back to the organization. This legendary deal stands as the largest contract in North American football history, serving as a masterclass in how a franchise quarterback can successfully financialize their long-term value to an entire city. 7. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., $500 million, Toronto Blue Jays. Major League Baseball's structural lack of hard salary cap opened the door for yet another absolute blockbuster, with powerhouse slugger Vladimir Guerrero Jr. securing a massive 14-year, $500 million extension with the Toronto Blue Jays. Extending all the way through 2039, this $500 million framework guarantees Guerrero an average annual salary of over $35 million. The Blue Jays committed this historic sum to ensure their premier offensive cornerstone remains a definitive face of the franchise for the next decade and a half, protecting their long-term media viewership and stadium revenue streams. 8. Mike Trout, $426.5 million, Los Angeles Angels. Rounding out the absolute elite tier of sports history is Mike Trout's legendary 12-year, $426.5 million extension with the Los Angeles Angels. Signed back in 2019 to run through the 2030 season, this contract secured an average annual payout of over $35 million. For over half a decade, this historic deal stood as the absolute benchmark for baseball wealth, establishing the modern blueprint for the ultra-long-term, fully guaranteed contracts that continue to shape the financial strategies of top-tier sports franchises today. The sheer scale of these 8 monumental contracts proves that consumer attention, global broadcast rights, and corporate sponsorships have turned elite athletes into ultimate financial enterprises. As media networks expand and international investment groups continue to pour capital into major leagues, the ceiling for professional sports contracts will only continue to skyrocket. If you want to keep exploring how modern sports franchises manage these massive balance sheets, how digital media rights drive multi-billion-dollar team valuations, and how internet trends are completely reshaping the business of global entertainment, make sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our next deep dive into the business models of the world's most lucrative industries.